Today I'm going to be playing our Scruff and my video is called Your Belly, aka Belly. So let's get started. Ta-da! So let's open this thing. Number one, we're gonna wash it. Number two, we're gonna see what we get. Maybe it's a cat or a rabbit or a dog. And this number three, we have to let it dry for 20 minutes. Number four, we can comb it and then let it dry. Okay guys, now we're gonna wash it. Let's see what we got. We got a kitty, guys. Hello. Let's see the little nose. Do we have a nose? We do. We have a pink nose. Let's go dry it. First we have to wring it. Okay, we're going to scoot the bowl to the side. Let's take that away. And let's dry it up in here. We're going to dry it so well. So like at bedtime, maybe we get away with it. So it'll dry. Let's get all the spots. The tail. Let's get the front now. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's lay the whole towel so we get that much. The color fell. Easily. So we're good at drying it, so now we're gonna dry with something else. Hey guys, welcome back. So now this is a blow dryer, so we're going to use it for this stuff, and I want to dry it up. So my parents are here to help me dry this because this is a little dangerous because we might hurt our fingers with it or something. So now let's dry it. I was wondering when I can comb it. Okay. So now we're going to put the collar on. I'm just going to put it in. Okay, so let's hold it right here. No. Okay. I'm going to put that thing right there. Okay, I think the face got a little messed up, so we'll go back to combing a little. Okay, so how does my dog look? I mean, cat. Dog, cat. I do not know how to do this. Now we're going to do the bow, but the bow is a little... Daddy, I need help. Oh, wait. Let's put it on this ear. Okay. Let's move that little hair. So, get in the way. So can you help me? So bye guys. Hope you guys subscribe my channel. Bye.